Hello everyone. Welcome on Total Health and Fitness. Drastically cutting calories to lose belly fat when you're a teenage girl isn't wise. You need optimal nutrients because your body and brain are still growing, and you're building bone. Calories provide you with the energy to be alert and focused during school, too. Exercise and reducing empty-calorie foods, though, can help you lose weight all over, including your belly, while supporting a healthy lifestyle. 1 month isn't really enough time to notice dramatic changes in the size of your belly. But it gives you enough time to see a 2 to 4 pound drop in your weight and jumpstart a long-term slimming solution. Check with your doctor before starting any weight loss program to determine a healthy goal for you. Healthy calorie intake for teen girls. When you lose weight, you can't target the part of the body from which the weight will come off. Weight loss generally occurs all over your body. Belly fat, however, is particularly responsive to traditional weight loss measures, improved eating habits and exercise. Ditch sugar and refined grains. Foods high in sugar and refined grains are high in calories but not particularly filling, so they can make you overshoot your daily calorie intake and gain belly fat. Cookies, cupcakes, cereal bars, sweetened breakfast cereal, white bread and white pasta are examples of foods that contribute to belly fat. Move more to lose belly fat. Exercise is critical when your intention is a fast reduction of belly fat. Moving more increases your calorie burn, which can help you lose weight, as long as you don't increase your food intake. Reduce stress to reduce belly fat. Stress from school and social interactions can cause hormonal reactions in your body that cause you to store fat in your belly. A study published in a 2011 issue of Obesity showed that young girls who reported stress related to school events had the highest levels of visceral, or belly, fat compared to less stressed peers. Diet and exercise plan for 17-year-olds. Weight loss can help improve your health if your doctor has indicated that you're overweight, but a 17-year-old boy or girl shouldn't obsessively restrict calories or over-exercise. If you're subsisting on soda, fast food, and processed snacks, your diet could use some cleaning up so that it provides more nutrition and fewer empty calories. Use a diet and exercise plan to create healthy habits that help you manage your weight for a lifetime. Weight considerations for a teen. Before embarking on a weight loss program, ask yourself why you want to lose. Realize that wanting to lose weight to match some ideal magazine image or movie actor isn't realistic or necessary. People are built differently, some have lithe frames, while others are more muscular and stocky. If your weight is healthy for your age, height, and gender, significant weight loss isn't necessary. Improve the quality of the food you eat, avoid processed snacks and meals and get adequate exercise daily to boost your health, not just to get skinnier. Dietary tactics for weight loss. A weight loss diet for a 17-year-old should start with cutting out non-nutritious, high-calorie foods, including soda, chips, baked treats, white bread, and fried foods. When you're hungry between healthy meals, opt for fresh fruit, plain nuts, low-fat yogurt or whole grain crackers. Carry healthy snacks with you to school so you're not tempted by the vending machine or a quick trip to a fast food restaurant after the bell rings. Don't cut out every one of your favorite foods forever, but stick to just one serving on occasion, rather than every day. 17-year-old beginner workout. As a teen, aim to get a minimum of 1 hour of exercise per day according to the Physical Activity Guidelines for Americans. You could head to the gym or join a sports team. If structured exercise isn't your thing, use the hour to do a brisk walk, ride your bike or dance to your favorite tunes in your room. Choose a cardiovascular exercise that involves weight bearing to help strengthen your bones and do it at least 3 times a week. For example, if you're a competitive swimmer, you should still jog or hike as cross-training. Sleep more and stress less. Sleep plays a significant role in your diet and exercise program. You may be inclined to stay up late, but this provides you with opportunities to snack on unhealthy foods and take in unnecessary calories. When you have to get up early the next day for school or weekend activities, you might resort to high-calorie energy drinks or sugary coffee drinks to perk you up. Too little sleep also increases hormones that make you crave high sugar and high-fat foods. Sleeping fewer than 8 hours per night puts you at 3 times the risk of obesity compared to those who sleep more, reported Healthy Sleep at Harvard. If you want to learn more about how to lose belly fat fast, check link in the description.